All right, here's question 31 from the Regents review. Let's read this and then I'm going to explain the answer. It says, Mike knows that the 0.3, 6.5, and 4, 17.55 are points on the graph of an exponential function. So let me circle this. Exponential function, g of x. And he said he wants to find another point on the graph of this function. So that's an exponential function. And now he wants to find another point on that exponential function. It says the first thing he does is that he subtracts 6.5 from 17.55 to get 11.05. And then he said next he adds 11.05 and 17.55 to get 28.6. Then he states that 5, 28.6 is a point on g of x. Is he correct? Explain your reasoning. Okay, now, this is a 2-point question, and they're asking you to tell if Mike's reasoning is good about trying to come up with another point. Well, Mike is not correct. That's what you should say, first of all. Mike is not correct, and here's why. He said that this was an exponential function. Now, remember, exponential functions, you multiply to get the next answer, or you divide to get the next point. You don't subtract and you don't add, you multiply. You divide or you multiply. That's what exponential functions are. It's either multiplication or division. He didn't do that. He subtracted and he added. That is not what you should do for an exponential. That's what you do for a linear function. But this isn't a linear function. It said it's an exponential function. So Mike messed up. He should have multiplied or he should have divided and then found out what the common ratio was and then use that common ratio to come up with another point. So he didn't divide. He didn't multiply, so he's wrong. And that's what you would say. You would say he should have divided, not subtracted. Not subtracted. Something like that. Something like that you should say, and that would be for credit. Basically, all they want to know is, do you know the difference between exponential and linear? And what Mike did is he mixed them, and you can't mix them. All right, that's it. I'm going to stop this and post it.